In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a chat error in Character AI. So if you're experiencing issues like messages not sending, chats freezing, or getting error pops up, don't worry. I'll walk you through the possible fixes step by step. So first, make sure you check your internet connection. So make sure your internet is stable. So a weak or interrupted connection can cause that a chat error. So you need to refresh the page and then switch to a different network or start your router. And then if you're using a VPN, try turning it off as it interfere with Character AI servers. So sometimes a simple logout also and login can resolve temporary issues. And then you can also clear your old cache files or cookies can because sometimes it causes errors in loading chats. So you just need to visit the settings and then privacy security and then clear browsing data. And then if the problem persists, you can switch to another browser like Firefox or Edge or try using Character AI on a mobile device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. So Character AI might be experiencing downtime or high traffic sometimes, so you can visit their official Discord or Twitter for updates on server issues. And then if none of these fixes work, consider reporting the issues to the help center or support here in Character AI. And that's it. That's how you can troubleshoot and fix a chat error in Character AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.